Hi everybody, in this video I would like to show you how to install the Wotoken app on your iPhone, how to sign up and how to get started. So if you click on the link down below to download the iPhone app, you will see this screen right here. And in order to start the download, just click on the green button right here and it will ask you if you want to download the app. So if you click yes, it will start downloading and installing the app. And if you actually want to start the app, you will need to make the developer of the app a trusted developer, right? So in some app stores, especially in European app stores, that developer is not set up as a trusted developer, but you can easily fix that. You just go to your settings and then you go to general and then you go to device management, and GATech is the developer. So you just click on the icon Wotoken and just say I trust the app, and then you will see verified. It will say verified like it's saying on my screen, and now you can start using the app. So if you go to the app and want to sign up, the first thing you will have to do is you just select the country code, the country phone code of your country, and then you enter the phone number right here. And once you have entered the phone number, and by the way, this will be also your login name, so you will always log in with your phone number. And if once you have entered your phone number, you just click get code and you will receive an SMS with a code that you would then enter here in the enter verification code field. And then you will have to set up two passwords. So one is the login password that you would be using to log in into the app, and one is the payment password that you will be using to carry out transactions. All right, down below you can you have to enter your invitation code that you can also find below this video. All right, so once you hit confirm, on the next page you will see backup mnemonic words, 10 of them. You will have to note them down or make a screenshot and store them in a safe place, because you will need those to restore your accounts. To restore your accounts. So if those get stolen, you might compromise your account. So, and yeah, once you have saved those 10 words. Okay, so now we are in the app. And this is the home screen. So this is the landing page basically that will show you the cryptocurrency price, which is updated instantly. And then if you want to load assets to your wallet, you just click on assets down below and you will see all the different cryptocurrencies listed here. So I have already created a Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet, and to create that wallet, you just click on the asset you want to create. Like let's do it with Litecoin. So I click on Litecoin and then I just select the asset, so Litecoin, and then I would enter the asset type here. Let me call it Litecoin as well, and then you just confirm and you will see the asset listed now here, right? So, and it will show the current price right here, $47.56. Okay, so if you want to load assets to your wallet, you just click on deposit. So I'll just do it with Litecoin. I click deposit and you will see the QR code that you can use to pay, or you just can copy the address and paste it into your wallet to make the payment. Okay, so once you have assets loaded to your wallets, you can now start the Apollo software. So you just go to Apollo, you click Apollo down below, and here you will see the different assets that you have. So if you wanted to add Litecoin, let's say, and now it's zero balance as you can see, but if I have added assets, it will show some balance, and then I just click in, right? And then I just choose the amount I want to transfer and enter my payment password and confirm. Okay, so once I have at least $1,000 on my balance, and you see I have a bit more than 1,000, I can actually start the software and on the in the right upper corner you will see a slider that you have to turn on to start the software. So you cannot turn it on before you have at least $1,000 on your balance. Okay, and once you have done this, once you have started the software, you will see your income in WOR tokens, WOR tokens, coming in every day. And as you can see, in one day I already earned a bit more than 7 WOR tokens. And if you go back to assets, on the top you will see the total asset that you have earned with the software. All right.